Right, so we're filming.
This is Norbert Norman, our Christmas tree.
Norbert Norman?
Is it Norbert Norman?
I don't know. Norbert or Norman.
He's a Norway spruce. He was a Norway spruce.
It's not going to fall over, Lise, is it? Come on. Whoa, Lise, that's going to fall over.
Whoa! That's quite huge.
That's going to fall over on the chairs.
Marshmallows, anyone? Back of the sleeping bag?
Where's Jen? Isn't that pretty? It's beautiful.
Best thing you do to a Christmas tree, I think.
I should bring all that. It's Christmas last, right? It's August.
How many have you got?
Two.
I get a 6 foot one.
Yeah, like the big one in kind. I've seen that.
Hetty does it. She does it all the time. It's really annoying.
Aww.
That's brilliant.
That's amazing.
That was lovely, the way it all curled up.
Did you enjoy that?
No.
Next one.
Yeah. Can we have another?
Well, not to do for comments.